Hello there fam, it's your boy Investor Black and I welcome you back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape thousands of targeted emails from LinkedIn for email marketing. Now, most of you already know that email marketing is one of the best ways to promote for free. Now, it could be for affiliate product promotion. It could be you trying to get customers, you generating leads for your business. Whatever the case may be, it all starts with you scraping the internet for leads. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that using LinkedIn. Why LinkedIn? Well, LinkedIn is one of the solid places to get legit emails because everybody on LinkedIn are serious people. Everybody's email on LinkedIn are most likely to be legit emails. So that is why LinkedIn is a good place to start with, even as a beginner when you're scraping the internet for email addresses, for your email list or for lead generation. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that step by step. So let's start with step one. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to generate your advanced search operator. And to do that, all you have to do is head over to investorblack.com/recruiting. So I'm going to copy that real quick. Then I'm going to go to a new browser, new tab, then paste it and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it's going to take you to the next page. On this page, you're going to see a countdown, 15 seconds countdown. So you just have to wait for it to finish counting. As you can see, once it's done counting, the next thing you would have to do is to click on this button that says continue, and it's going to take you to this page right here. Now on this page, you can see LinkedIn, you can see Dribble, GitHub, Zing, Stack Overflow, and Twitter. Now, originally, this tool is meant for recruiters. Let's say you are a business owner and you're looking for web developers. This tool is for you. But we are going to use this tool for the purpose of scraping the internet. Why? Because it helps us to generate the search query that we need for that. So to do that, here that it says country, we are going to put in the country we are targeting. Here that it says job title, we're going to put in the keyword, whatever the people are. For example, let's say I want to promote an affiliate product for forex traders. I'm going to just put in forex trader here where it says job title. If I want to promote a software for web developers, I'm going to put in web developer here. So you get the idea. So based on who your target audience are, you can choose a good keyword to put here where it says job title. Then another place you have to fill up is this place where it says location. Okay, so location is where in Nigeria. So we know that our country is Nigeria, where in Nigeria. So you can narrow down to even states in your location. So let's say in the United States, you want to target New York. You target New York here and you put United States here. But since I'm using Nigeria, I'm going to just put in somewhere like Lagos, something like that. Then you don't have to touch any other thing. Leave everything as they are. So I'm going to put, let's say, software engineer. Okay, so now the next you want to do is click on this button that says find the right people on LinkedIn. So I'm going to click that real quick. Then it's going to give you this right here. So what you want to do is click on copy URL. So I'm going to click on copy URL. Once you copy the URL, the next you want to do is go to your notepad. I'm going to go to word counter and I'm going to paste the copied URL. So this is the URL that I've copied. Now that I've copied this URL, you want to do a slight modification so that it's going to work perfectly. Remember, this was originally for recruiters, but we are using it for a different purpose. That's why we need to make this slight modification. So I'm going to highlight from this end down to this place, the last place where it says linkedin.com. I'm going to leave the trailing slash. Okay, as you can see, this is what you want to do. That's the first thing you need to do. Once you take that out, the next thing you want to do is go to this place where it says in title. Just immediately behind it, you want to put in quotation marks and leave a space, so that there is a space behind it and also a space behind the quotation mark. Then inside the quotation mark, you want to put in your email provider. So if you're using Yahoo Mail, put Yahoo at yahoo.com. If you're using AOL, at aol.com. If you're using Gmail, put at gmail.com. So I'm going to be using Gmail, so I'm going to put at gmail.com. So it has already done the LinkedIn for us since we selected LinkedIn. So what you want to do next is to copy this whole URL, Ctrl C. So you copy the URL, go to a new tab and paste the copied URL. So I'm going to hit enter. Then it's going to take me to the search results. If you watch closely, you're going to be seeing LinkedIn. Okay. So basically we are looking for emails, right? So I'm going to scroll down to see if I'll see anything that looks like an email. Anything that looks like an email. I've seen one here. As you can see, this is an email. So this is basically what we want to do. Now, as you can see, mine is showing a full page search. Some of you might show few search. So if yours is showing few search, you don't have to worry too much. All you have to do is copy this operator here. Copy this operator here and put it at the end of this search term, the one you pasted in your web browser, right? Just copy this and put it at the end. What's going to happen is going to give you 100 results per page. If you want 500 results, you put 500 here, but mine is showing complete, so I'm not going to do that. So that takes us to the next step. So we've done this and we've also done this, which is step 2, to paste it in our browser. So let's move on to step 3. So step 3, all you have to do is copy all the results. So I'm going to go back to my search results, and I'm going to do Control A. Control A is copy. You can also right click and click on this button that says Control A is to highlight rather. Then you right click and click on copy. You can also do Control C to copy. Now once you've copied it, you need to paste it in an email extracting tool. Okay, to get your email extracting tool, that takes us to step 4. So step 4, you have to visit investorblack.com/extract me. So I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C, open this in a new tab as well, Ctrl V, and hit enter. Then I'm going to just copy this again so that I can paste it in the email extractor. So we'll wait for it to load real quick. So this is what you're going to be seeing once you go to the email extractor. You want to paste your copied results in this box here. So I'm going to do Ctrl V to paste. Then you're going to see that almost immediately you're going to be starting your extracted emails at the right. You can do this as for different semantically related keywords. As you can see, show more results. So I can decide to even get more results and more results until I get the amount of emails I'm looking for, maybe 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, as the case may be. So once you've copied it and you've gotten it, this is your result. So I'm going to click copy to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go to my notepad and paste the copied emails. Okay, so these are the little we were able to get. You can get even more, but I'm going to just stick with this for now. So now, the next thing we want to do is to make sure that there are no duplicates. Because if there are duplicates, then two emails will count as one, right? So that is why we need to remove the duplicates, which leads us to step 5. So to remove these duplicates, all you have to do is visit investorblack.com/clean email. So I'm going to copy that real quick. Then I'm going to go to a new tab and paste it as well. So I'm going to do Ctrl V and hit enter. Once I hit enter, it's going to load up real quick. So once it loads up, you're going to see a box that is highlighted in pink. All you have to do is paste your copied email there. So let's copy it again, paste it here to remove the duplicates. I'm going to click on Ctrl V, paste, and hit the pink submit button. Then you're going to see your results at the bottom. So we have 18 original, 18 remaining. So it means there were no duplicates. So in cases where there are duplicates, you would see a reduction in the total amount. Now, if you watch closely, you would notice that at the end of this email, we have something like a dot. We have dots at the end of the .com, which is not supposed to be so. So here's a way to fix that real quick. So I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C, then go to my notepad and paste it. Then inside your notepad, just click on Ctrl H on your keyboard. Then you see the first place that says find what, replace with what, right? So we are looking for .com and we are replacing it with .com. So once you put in .com at the top and .com at the bottom, click on the button that says replace all. So once you click on replace all, what's going to happen is that it's going to remove everything, all the dots in front of the .coms. As you can see, it's now cleaned up. Now the next thing you want to do is save your email list. So let's go to the final step, which is step 6. So step 6 has to do with validating your email. I've made a separate video elaborating more on that. So you're going to have to watch that in the next video. This is where I call it a day. So have a nice day, and I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to show you how to validate emails using a secret method that I developed myself. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.